basically the 𝐒𝐀𝐕𝐄𝐃. Cosmetics, electronics, clothes, accessories. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a 6 a.m. early wake up productive day in my life vlog. Today is one of those days that I just have so much stuff to get done, and in my opinion waking up a few hours earlier can make all the difference for like getting your whole to-do list done. I'm looking at my list right now and it's a little bit overwhelming, but it's okay, we're gonna get it all done. In a couple of days I'm actually going back to the States for a full month, so today is the day that I'm taking to kind of just like get everything in order, because I literally leave in 48 hours or a little bit less than that, so I have a lot to do. Anyways, we are not gonna waste any time. I feel like I need to get my energy more up. No, I feel really groggy and sleepy. I don't think I got enough sleep last night, so we're gonna go ahead and get up. First thing we're gonna take care of is laundry. I dread doing laundry, so we're just gonna get out of the way with. All right, let's go ahead and get our morning started. Cheers. Oh, I'm drinking a breakfast tea, like a English breakfast tea. It's so good. You guys know I love my morning walks with Cleo, but I am not going to take her out just yet. She is so tired and I think she could probably use another couple hours of rest, but we'll definitely go on a nice walk later. Oh, hi honey. Go back to sleep. Alright, it's about 8:30 and I'm gonna go take Cleo outside now because I feel like it's about that time. She's probably ready to go potty. I wanted to show you the podcast that's been like my go-to lately. I love all kinds of podcasts, but whenever I want to listen to like a feel-good one, like calming voice, good message, you know, sometimes you're not in the mood to like listen to like screamy podcasts. I have been loving Well Made by Kat. Please listen to it. It's my favorite. She's such a gem. Alright, so we just made it to Shinsegae. I picked up one little thing from H&M and now we're heading over to the duty-free area, which is actually my favorite part of the mall. So Shinsegae in Busan is the world's largest department store, and there's two sections. So first you have the main section, which is to my left, and then they kind of have like a little walk across bridge right next to H&M, and you can get over to duty-free. I personally prefer shopping on the duty-free side for a couple reasons. There's more brands that I like, it's more affordable, and then it's actually a lot more quiet. I love a quiet, peaceful shopping experience, so we are heading over there. Oh my goodness, you guys, 𝐒𝐀𝐕𝐄𝐃 is officially in Busan, Shinsegae. My jaw dropped when I saw the display. It's so beautiful. First of all, it's actually a really big display. They have this counter, and then there's also one over there I'll show you. People always ask me, they're like, where can I get 𝐒𝐀𝐈 when I come to Korea? And you can now get it if you come to Busan. They also have a Seoul location in Myeongdong, but when I found out they were opening here, I was just amazed. You guys know I literally rave about these products all the freaking time. I don't know if you guys saw when I was showing you earlier, but
our duo proof kit is also in here, which is just like the most surreal feeling ever. Thank you guys for all the support on this kit that we did earlier this summer. Basically the 𝐒𝐈𝐄 Green Fit Pro Sun Cream with my Saved by Salt freshwater pearl necklace, and it's like a kit, you get them together.
I honestly want to stock up on one of each, but I don't think I have enough room in my suitcase to bring that much skincare home. So I think I'm gonna pick up a serum and a cleanser and maybe the aqua moisturizer because I'm about to run out of that.
여행하기 좋은 계절 아트박스가
So it is later on now. I had a really good time at the mall, and then I got an early dinner with my boyfriend. I always feel like I can be more productive in the evenings when I eat earlier because it makes me feel like I have more time in the evening. I don't know why. Anyways, I wanted to show you what I actually got from the mall, and then we're gonna start packing for our trip, which is giving me a lot of anxiety, but hopefully it's not as bad as I'm making it out to be. But anyways, first of all, I picked up a 𝐒𝐈𝐄 gel cleanser. This one has rosemary in it. I love this cleanser. Like, I've used other cleansers throughout the past year, but I always end up going back to this one. It's just so lovely, soothing, and soft on the skin. I also picked up their 𝗦𝗵𝗶 serum. I've probably gone through like 7 or 8 bottles of this now. Okay, and then the last thing I picked up was their Green Calm Aqua Cream. I think I've gone through 2 or 3 of these by now. This just leaves my skin feeling so glowy and smooth, and when I apply this at night, I wake up the next morning and my skin still has that glowy effect, which is what I really love, and it just keeps my skin nice and hydrated. Oh, and then also with their promo, you get a free gift no matter how much you purchase. So I got a little set of their little travel pouches, which I love. I'm gonna be definitely bringing these on my trip. But yeah, those are all the goodies I got. All of these are gonna be coming home with me, and I just wanted to congratulate 𝐒𝐈𝐄 for opening up their counter in Shinsegae. It's such a huge accomplishment. So if you guys are in Busan, definitely stop by. As I said, it's in the duty-free section. All right, moving on to H&M. So the shirt I was wearing earlier, I ended up changing into this sweatshirt because I wanted to feel a little bit more cozy. But I did get this striped long sleeve from H&M. I've just been wanting more like fall basics. So I actually picked up a few long sleeves. Got a white one, a gray one, a beige one. Got this brown sweatshirt. I got this white top, which is more of like a going out style, or I guess it can also be casual, but just something that's a little more fancy. It has that little cinching on the side. I literally have no cute fall or winter going out clothes. I don't really desire to have a ton of clothes, to be honest, but obviously I need to have like some pieces to wear. And then I got one of these satiny, silky like shirts. These are my favorite for fall. They're so cute. Literally throw one of these on with jeans and you will look put together. I honestly wish I could have gotten like one in every color, but I'm just trying to shop smarter this season. Okay, and then I also got a new pair of sweatpants. This is a gray pair. Literally love these. I could wear these every day of my life. Also got a new pair of jeans. I think I've talked about this on my channel before, but I am not a jeans girly. I just don't, I don't know, I just don't feel comfortable in them. Like physically, I just want to rip them off and put sweatpants on, but I do think jeans are great with some looks for the fall and the winter. So I got this pair, and these are the wide ultra high waist. And then the last thing I got is a nice thick white hoodie. I absolutely love hoodies. They're so cozy, and you know, you can make so many different looks with something like this. So go to H&M, guys. They have so many cute basics. I always get questions about where my basics are. I feel like I used to shop a lot at Zara, but then I just realized how much money I was throwing away, and I honestly feel like H&M and Zara quality is pretty much the same. So Yeah, definitely recommend H&M. And I don't know about the US, but in Korea, if you're a member, you get 10% off automatically, so that's great. Anyways, now it is time to get packing. I've never done a pack with me, so I'm actually really excited to show you guys the process of how I pack for a long trip. I have a whole list. I just have categories. So we have cosmetics, electronics, clothes, accessories, quite a lot, but I honestly think I got every single thing down. I usually will only bring a like carry-on size luggage to the States. I don't like bringing like the big luggages, but I do think this time I'm gonna bring a big one just because I plan on doing a little bit of shopping while I'm over there, and that way I'll have enough room to bring my stuff back. But I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys set up. We're gonna get our suitcase out, and I will do kind of like a time lapse, and I'm gonna show you everything I'm bringing. I'm so excited.
All right, so as far as clothes, here is pretty much what we're working with. I have 2 pairs of exercise clothes, pajamas, some tank tops. I'm bringing about 10 shirts. I don't know if that's excessive, but we'll see. If they take up too much room, I can take a few out. I have a black kind of like blazer, and then a white sweatshirt for outerwear, 2 pants, and then a couple, like I think 2 nicer long sleeve shirts, and then all of like my bras, underwear in there. And then here's my bridesmaid's dress because my bestie is getting married and I'm in the wedding. I'm so excited. So yeah, I ordered my dress and it fits, and we're gonna be bringing this over. All right, cosmetics time. I'm pretty sure this is everything. There might be 1 or 2 things that I'm forgetting about that I'll add tomorrow, but literally just, you know, each and everything I need for daily use. This is my electronics bag, which I'm gonna pack in the morning. I basically just keep my cameras, chargers, and portable charging bank in here. It's like the perfect size. And then my accessories. I'm actually not bringing a ton of jewelry because I have my entire line back home already. And I love it whenever I travel, I'm able to just pack my jewelry in the Saved by Salt pouches. Whenever you order from my line, you get one of these little pouches, and they're perfect for travel. Hello you guys. So I actually didn't give this video a proper intro, so I wanted to hop on now and do it. I'm giving this intro on the day that this video is uploading, so very recent. All of that footage was filmed a couple weeks ago. I've been back in the States now for the past few weeks, and I'm having the best time. I've been filming so much, so right now I'm just kind of at the point that I'm like trying to catch up and edit all the footage that I have here. But yeah, fall in the States, it's been a vibe. But yeah, I just wanted to say I have so much fun fall content coming. Let me know your ideas because I still have 2 more weeks here in the States. But thank you guys so much for all your support. If you're not following me on Instagram, I also like post a ton of behind the scenes on there, and you'll see like sneak peeks of my weeks before the vlog. But that's about it. Oh yeah, we're also back in our car from college, you guys. If you watched me back in my college era, you definitely have seen this car before, and she's still here, and we've been whipping her around. Anyways, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm currently having my morning coffee and just wanted to say I hope you're doing well, whatever time of day it is when you're currently watching this. But that's about it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye.